nice places to go, people to see, and money to make. I just want to find time to get all of it done. So my name is Ryan Vernon, and this is The Hustler for Show. And I hope y'all enjoy the episode today. Keep hustling, y'all. Keep hustling. Peace. Man, my dad said if you take care of your car, it will take care of you. And this car is taking care of me. Wow, it's wild, you know. And even the inside is. You gotta be appreciative of life, you know. Cause man, even this side has a story, you know. The roof has a story, you know. The trunk has a story, you know. It's crazy. So I really be thinking a lot, if that makes sense. Whenever I have the opportunity to like think on something, I just be thinking on it, and then I'm just like, damn, I'm thinking on it for so long. Maybe it is a good idea. So you gotta just like keep thinking on some more, kind of like get outside perspectives that are not yours. Because why would I think anything I do is bad? And then like keep thinking on it, and it's like, wow, this could lead it to something where it's like, not only it's just like a good idea, but it's also like there's skills in that you want to develop. It's very interesting. So I'm really trying to right now I'm really trying to like incorporate a plan for the channel that you think about the vlogs. At this point, I got it down packed to where I just record videos, boop, and then get it edited, boop, and then upload it, boop. I know all those steps, if that makes sense. Now it's like I could do that again with something else. I just gotta make sure that initially has like something else initially has something to be like, oh, that's something to run with. So that's what I just be thinking a lot, but I'm getting closer to bringing things to light at the moment. It's just been a lot of thinking, but slowly. Like, I'm thankful to have the opportunity to like see this, you know?
I'm trying to figure out how to get there. We have to go through there.
All right, onward.
It's like a teenager, I think.
Yeah, it's young. Did y'all walk? Were y'all following us?
Yeah.
Now we all gotta go back to the car.
Yeah, I know.
It's tough. All right.
This is real
It
life.
looks like those are bathrooms though, so
I can steal his antlers.
let's do that.
This is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. He's training. He's out of a job because of Corona. Oh, yeah.
So we can see a little stuff.
way he's looking, I'm just like, is anything out there?
There's some being right over.
I think he's just staring.
Is that somebody just in the middle of the field?
I think so.
I think so.
Let me do my iPhone zoom.
Sitting down.
Philosophy and things like that.
Yeah.
You respect the land, the land's gonna respect you. Feel me?
Oh gosh.
Oh, yeah, he chilling. Yeah.
Oh, look at that reflection.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Well, yeah, she got it.
I don't want to cause too much worry. I'll come back down.